Hello, everyone, and welcome to Out of Forks. This is my new cooking show. I'm trying it out. We're going to see how it goes. My plan is to show you everything that I'm using, everything that I end up needing to add to my repertoire, and the cleaning along the way. As you can see here, I tried the little snapping the fingers trick that everybody does on all these cooking shows, but it didn't seem to work, so I'm grating everything by hand. If it's not obvious by this point, I'm making some homemade mac and cheese. Everything's going to be from scratch except for the topping. Anyway, I have no idea what that was about. I fill up my milk here and I just start putting everything together. And let's see if we can try to make this finger snapping thing work. Nope, guess not. Alright, so if it's not obvious on what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to make a roux. I figured I would show you every step of the way and not cut anything out or hide any of my mistakes. As a typical home cook and somebody that's had culinary background, I figured it'd be best to just show off every step of the process, even though I speed up a lot of things here and try to cut down the video to make sure it's something that people would actually want to watch and not just click past. I didn't get a good chance to explain it earlier in the video, but I am using a very special cheese. It is a ale and mustard cheese. It was something that was gifted to me, and I figured this would be a really good way to make use of it without wasting a whole lot. I figured a beer cheese mac and cheese with a pretzel topping would be a great way to use this cheese. You can see me throwing in a few seasonings here. Did I measure it? No. Did my ancestors tell me when to stop? Maybe. I don't know. I don't listen too well. So I just added the pasta, and I'm just showing you the progress here of the sink. I tried to break up that pretzel topping I was talking about and failed miserably, but you guys don't get to see that part. Just took me way too long, and then I got smart and decided to shock the pasta in the bowl itself instead of just rinsing it. And I add some other seasonings like mustard powder, garlic powder, onion powder. You'll see me throw a few slices of processed cheese in there. That's going to help make everything a little bit more emulsified, a little bit silkier, a little bit smoother. That's why I also used evaporated milk in the beginning. Did a little quick taste test with the spatula and figured it could use a little more seasoning, a little more beer. And to be honest, it didn't look too great at this point. I thought it might have been a little lumpy. It was really just I let it cool down a little too far, and the cheese didn't melt properly. You can see I don't know where to put the spatula because this is quite a small kitchen, but I was able to figure it out and put everything in there, spread it all out, and I dropped my towel. But that's the cheese topping and the pretzel topping I was talking about earlier. I'm just going to sprinkle that right on top. Could have done a better job smashing it into smaller pieces, but I got lazy and fuck it. And into the oven it goes. And here's the mess I'm left with to clean up. Let's try the snap. Oh my god, it worked. Holy shit. Never mind. Better start cleaning that while it's in the oven. And it's looking good. It sounds good, but let's check out that cheese pull. And of course, I forgot to show another utensil I have to clean now use. But as I pull this out, oh yeah, that's the stuff. I decided I want to try it on camera because that's what a lot of people do, and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. This is the first video I've ever made with even a voiceover, so let's hope it goes well, as good as this mac and cheese is, because god damn was it really, really good. Kind of blew me away a little bit. I didn't expect it to be as good as it was. I had a lot of fun cooking this and I had a lot of fun making this video, so please let me know if I should keep doing this. And if you want an actual recipe, I guess maybe next time. Alright, bye!